enclosed within it. I don't know why I'm talking to my microphone down there. I need to be talking to you up here. Okay, so you can't make money unless you're a central bank, that is. Boom, boom. Macroeconomic jokes aside, I subscribe to many newsletters. The first thing I do when I get to a new website is sign up for their newsletter. Point to note, number one. When it comes into my primary inbox, it sits there and acts as a reminder to me to check out that business again if I was interested in them when I have time. It acts like a to-do list, my inbox. The subject line is not important at this point, as I can easily see who it's from, hopefully. If there's nothing much of interest in it, then after a couple of issues, it gets moved to my updates folder. And then Gmail takes over from there and just puts it in my update folder automatically. It's got a couple more chances to grab my attention because I'm going to be skimming that updates folder perhaps once a month. And if the subject line jumps out at me and I can still see the name of the person, remember who the business is, then I'm going to read it. But you've only got a couple of chances. After that, it's update folder, oblivion. One of the newsletters that earned its place in my primary inbox for now is AI Marketers. They've got a great Facebook group. If you're past the beginning point of learning to use AI, if you're not past the beginning point, come to my masterclass on Wednesday. I'll be showing you some basics and it'll blow your mind. If you're a bit more advanced than that, and go to AI Marketers Facebook group. Today's Monday memo was particularly good. It was called A Bite of Knowledge. You don't make money, you earn it. Most people have it backwards. They think money is something you make, like it just appears out of thin air if you wish hard enough. But the truth is, money is something you earn. It's a reward for the value you create in the world. The products you build, the services you offer, the problems you solve. Money flows to those who provide something useful to others, meaning the more you give, the more you get. The more value you add, the more money you earn. It's a direct relationship. So if you want to boost your income, stop trying to make money and start asking yourself how you can earn it. So that's the end of their little bit that I pulled from their newsletter. And I've given them feedback and told them how brilliant it was, because it really was. And you can only earn money if you're reminding people you're there, giving value, making offers. And this is where people go wrong. If your offers don't sell, often people take it personally, and it's nothing personal at all. It's not that they don't like you, it's that you haven't made the right offer to the right bunch of people. Or you could be making the right offer to the right bunch of people, but not enough for them. So you've got to find out where the people you think will find value in what you're offering hang out online, and get in front of as large a number of people as possible. Find the groups where they hang out, find the platforms that they are most likely to be on, and get in front of them with your offers. Get in front of them with things that prove you know your stuff, that prove you've got expertise, that prove that you're an expert in your field and that you can bring value to them and their business. And I wouldn't go after corporates. I definitely wouldn't do that, because it takes months and months and months, and they just dick you around. They really do. So choose a bunch of people that can reach into their pocket, take out their wallet and pay you immediately if they need what you're offering. Okay, what the expertise you're sharing. So it might mean you're not making enough offers, it might mean you're not making them to the right people, or it might mean you're not making them to enough of the right kind of people. I'll be able to diagnose which of these problems you have. So come and book in at nicolacairncross.com for a quick 15-minute triage call. I might ask you some questions in advance, because that will help me diagnose your problem. The other thing is, are you making enough regular offers to these people? It's the hardest thing to do, just to make an offer, but you've got to try and force yourself to do it. So alongside giving lots of value for free, and the other thing is you've got to really make it bleeding obvious what you want people to do. So in my case, I want people to come to nicolacairncross.com and I want them to book in to talk to me. And that's because I've got a whole range of offers, and there's something to fit everyone, from the people who can't afford much to the people who want their problem solved instantly and have got a bit of a budget to do that. But once I talk to people, diagnose the right offer for them. If the answer is yes, that you are getting in front of enough people, you are demonstrating your expertise, and you are making offers, is it obvious what you want them to do next? Is there a place that they can come and find out more about you and take some action? Now, that only needs to be a simple one-page website on something like card.co, that's CARRD.co. Just get a website up there. It's very, very cheap. It's $10 a year. and you can hook it up to a CRM, customer relationship management system, and you can start sending out newsletters if you like to write, or if you like collecting good stuff from other people, as I have today from AI marketers. Or I've got my mailing list set up to mail out every time there's a new blog post. So someone joins my newsletter list, and I put a new blog post up, which I'm doing every day on a weekday. And then they get just a simple, quick email today saying, here's today's blog post. And if they like the title of it, they'll click through. And it also lists 5 previous blog posts they might enjoy underneath. So I hope this has been useful to you. The people that talked to me over the weekend about needing to make money quickly are not doing these things. And I know they're not, because I know their businesses. So if you're not doing these things, then you can't expect to make money, because nobody can make money. You can only earn money. And you can only earn money if you're making offers that have value to your ideal potential future customer. And if you need to work out how to find out who those people are, come along to my masterclass on Wednesday at 1:00. Come to nicolacairncross.com, click the resources button, and you'll see the masterclass link. And I'm going to try and do one every Wednesday at 1:00, because I really enjoy them. So they'll be on different topics. But this week's is going to be on how to get started using AI, and how to use AI to find out who your ideal future customer is, and then how to get in front of them quickly, easily, and cheaply to demonstrate your value, demonstrate your expertise, make them an offer, and hopefully get in front of large enough numbers of them. So I hope this has helped today. I really hope it particularly helped the people I talked to over the weekend. I'll see you again very soon.